Welcome to this demonstration video on the New South Wales Online Registry. This demonstration will briefly step you through the online process for submitting a notice of motion for Garnishee Order, wages or salary.
The introductory web page.
The notice of motion for Garnishee Order, wages or salary form is used to apply for a Garnishee Order. A Garnishee Order obligates the employer to pay the judgment debt out of the wages or salary of the judgment debtor directly to the judgment creditor. Enter search criteria.
The example user enters the case number.
Then click Search Case List.
Your cases.
Click the File a Form button. Scroll down.
A list of forms.
Click Notice of Motion, Garnishee Order for wages or salary.
The online form displays.
Help is provided throughout this form and can be viewed by clicking the blue Help icons. If you require additional legal support, please contact Law Access New South Wales or see information about Garnishee Orders on the Law Assist website. If you do not already have a completed PDF version of your Notice of Motion Garnishee Order, wages or salary, select the option to fill out the answers online.
The user selects this option.
Click the Next button.
Case details.
Check the case details to confirm everything is correct. You can enter your own reference number in the optional field before clicking Next to continue.
Filing parties.
Confirm the filing party details are correct, then click Next.
Judgment Debtors.
Confirm the judgment and judgment debtor, the defendant, have been selected. If there is more than one judgment debtor, you must only select one. Then click Next.
Garnishee Order.
Select if the garnishee is an individual or organization. Then enter the garnishee's name. Ensure the details of the employer are correctly described.
The user enters the name ABC Proprietary Limited.
Enter the garnishee's address.
The user enters a street number of 72, the street name of George, selects a street type from a drop-down list, enters a postcode of 2000, and selects the suburb of Sydney from a drop-down list.
Complete the details of the outstanding debt.
The user selects that the judgment was not stayed by instalment order, then enters the interest.
Click the Next button.
Deponent details.
Enter the deponent details. This is the person who swears or affirms that the information entered in this form is correct. This person must sign the form.
The user enters the name Roger Smith and an address of 2 Main Street, Sydney, New South Wales 2000. They enter both the occupation and legal capacity of the deponent as solicitor.
Then click the Next button.
Sign the form.
The form will need to be signed by the deponent in the presence of an authorized witness. An authorized witness is a solicitor, barrister, justice of the peace, or notary public. Click the View Print Form button.
A copy of the form.
The form will need to be printed, signed, witnessed, and then scanned so it can be attached before being submitted. Once the document is signed, witnessed, and scanned, you will need to return to the online registry and click the Forms in Progress option. On the Forms in Progress screen, click the Edit button next to the Garnishee Order form.
A pencil icon.
Click the Attach button. Then click the Browse button and attach the completed PDF version of the Notice of Motion, wages or salary form.
The user browses.
Click the Attach button. Enter the date that the affidavit was sworn or affirmed by the authorized witness.
The user enters a date.
You should now check the details you have provided in this form. It is important to check the form before clicking Submit to ensure all the information is accurate before you attend court. Click View Print Form to view a draft version of the form in PDF format. If you need to make any changes, click Edit Form. When you are satisfied that all of the information is accurate and complete, click Submit.
The user clicks Submit.
Once submitted, it should only take a few minutes for the court to formally approve your submission, although in some instances it may take up to 10 minutes. When accepted, you will receive an email to confirm your submission. This email will confirm your submission was formally accepted by the court and will contain the court-approved Notice of Motion for Wages or Salary form, which is a PDF document enclosed in a zip file. The court-approved Notice of Motion for Wages or Salary form will also be available online via the online registry website. It may take up to 48 hours for your form to be processed. Once approved, you can view and download a copy of the Garnishee Order form online by going into the case
The user clicks the case name,
and selecting the File Documents tab.
a document list.
Click the Garnishee Order PDF link to view and download a copy.
The form.
You will need to print and serve a copy of this Garnishee Order on the employer of the Judgment Debtor. If you need additional legal support prior to attending court, you should contact Law Access New South Wales. Thank you for taking the time to view this demonstration. We hope that it has helped guide you through this form. More forms will be made available over time, so please keep an eye on the New South Wales Online Registry homepage for the latest updates.
onlineregistry.lawlink.nsw.gov.au